Good morning.
Welcome to OV.
Welcome to OV. We're going to give you a little tour this morning. We're going to start with, we have the back patio salon area, and then we're going to do a little walk around the front deck. My name is RJ, and this is Jenna. We're going to be happy to give you a little tour today. All right. In the salon here, we have nice seating area. Makes an excellent space for 8. But we have it set now for 4, which is great for our judges competition this week. Ample seating around the Elba. We've really been enjoying the boat. She's set up fantastic for a full crew of guests and everything on board, and you're going to see that in a minute. There's some great seating areas all around the boat. So we've got our area back here. We've got our nice captain's bar, as well as our grilling area. Cool. And then follow me this way, and we'll head up to the top deck. Got a nice selection of water toys on board. Up front here we have 2 nice inflatable paddle boards for running around into little remote areas of the Virgin Islands. The seating area on the front, this is spectacular for sunrises. Evening cocktails are also great up here. These bean bags that we have on front are really nice. You're guaranteed a 20-minute nap as soon as you sit down in one of them, I promise. So they're fantastic. Really nice little area up here to hang out in. Let's come around this way and we'll make our way back to the deck. We're going to come up to the top side, and this is where our boat really has some nice touches. We've got the Helm Station here, very easy for us as crew. But up top here, this is really one of the magical parts of OV and our boat. We've got some nice day beds here. We've got seating area for more than we can have as crew on board, so we can accompany some extra guests if we invite some people over for sundowners. Fantastic place to gather, have some appetizers, cocktails. This really is probably one of the favorite spots on the boat. We find people up here more often than anywhere else, so it's a great spot. Let's take a peek in the backyard that we currently have with some of our toys so you can see what we have available. We've got some noodles for those that like a little help or would not have to work so hard while they're swimming or snorkeling. And if we take a peek back here, we've got a really cool selection of toys. We've got a dinghy that's powerful enough to get somebody up on a wakeboard. Of course, we have the tube for pulling kids around, whipping them around in the bays, which is great. We've got an excellent selection of brand new snorkeling equipment. We've got our floating dock there, which is great. The 2-man kayak. Yeah, so we've got a nice selection of toys to share with everybody when they get here. So whatever they may like to do. All right, I'm going to turn it over to Jenna, and she's going to take you inside the boat.
All right, come on, everybody.
Let me mic you up.
Oh, didn't even hear me.
There you go. It's on there somewhere.
All right, come on, everybody. All right. So welcome to inside the galley and in the cabin area. We've got a wonderful, I love this area here just for sitting and being casual. It's kind of nice that we just have the coffee table so that it's perfect just for appetizers or if you're sitting down having drinks. We do, but then you can also mingle with me in the galley or also my dishwasher RJ. He doesn't have to leave the party. He's also involved.
My station.
Yes. But right now we have our, this has been an amazing feature, this block here. We have it set up as our coffee for right now. That's what we do in the mornings. But if need be, this whole section comes up and comes right here. So it covers, makes me have a whole new little cabinet area or counter space just to help with the plating and everything, making everything gorgeous for guests. It's been amazing. This whole galley, it's just it's been a godsend. It's more than a one-butt kitchen also. We do have our ice maker here, which has been amazing for guests that we've had, and RJ and I on board. It's been keeping up with our cold beverages, which has been just wonderful, especially since it's not raining anymore down here, and it's getting a little warmer. But let's head on down to the cabins. Nice wide open spaces here. So this is our green room, and I've been having a lot of fun with my towel animals. So today this is the elephant room, which is the green. We've got our water bottles and our thermos cups all set up for you, and some hand sanitizer, little beach towels. But this one's a lot of beautiful natural light that's in here. All right, and let's check out the bathrooms right in this area. Turn on the lights so everybody can see. Plenty of space in here, and as you can see, we do have our awesome teak floors, which feel good on your feet when you're taking a shower. I've been really impressed with the water pressure and everything that's been on this boat. Being on other boats, sometimes that's an issue. She is amazing. We have our selection of body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, just in case some people may forget theirs. And a huge feature for anyone who's been on other boats, we have electric heads with freshwater flush. Big deal. And then we also, just in case somebody does forget, we have toothbrushes, anything to make a guest comfortable. That's most important. But let's head on up to one of the other rooms. Just a moment. All right. Oh, sorry. Let's head on over to the starboard side. This one might be one of my favorites just because it's the Stingray room. But these are the Stingray towels. And also still a lot of great, beautiful light. And this one still does have the nice accent lighting under the bed, which is really cool for at night or if you're just trying to wind down. And this one's still, even though it's a front forward cabin, lots of room, great teak floors still. Drop the light. Oop, just in case, lots of room. All right, let's head on back to the blue room. Great natural light. This one is our turtle room today. But yeah, obviously I've been having lots of fun with the towels. And I think it's also pretty cool. Each one of our rooms has the different color pillows and a different little saying on it to kind of little positive vibes for everybody. And then here is our bathroom, the nice blue one still. And then another cool feature that we do have in the bathrooms, just because everybody's splashing water everywhere, we do have shower curtains. So your bathroom stays a little bit drier, which helps out me and everyone else. Oh, let me just sneak on back. Hi. And we head back up to the salon.
Cool. Good tour?